Hello there guys, today we are going to be making a shrimp creamy pasta. Here are the ingredients: butter, garlic, onions, cheese, bell peppers, shrimp, heavy cream, salt, pepper, spices, oregano, cayenne pepper, paprika, olive oil. So let's get started. So in a pot you're going to add linguine with water and some salt. I'm going to be using half of this packet because it's a lot. This is the first thing you want to do, so that way you can do the other stuff as this cooks. You want to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and keep in mind that this is going to keep cooking when when you add it all together. Here I have a pound of fresh shrimp. You can use any shrimp you want. If you're using fresh shrimp, make sure you wash it multiple times so that it's not dirty. Alrighty, so we are going to begin cutting the bell pepper and the onions so we can start cooking this. So with the bell pepper, remove the base, I guess, of the bell pepper, and then also cut off the white flesh because that does not taste good in any way, shape, or form. Now with the onion, you want to cut it your way, basically however you want to cut it. Just remember to remove at least 1 or 2 layers of the onions so you get to the fresh part of the onion. Alrighty, so it's time to check on the pasta. Make sure you move it occasionally so it doesn't stick. And if you see that it's very flexible, you can also taste a little bit, like take some off and test it. And remember, you're gonna keep cooking the pasta. Alright, so in the saucepan, we're gonna add the shrimp in butter and cook it 1 minute on each side. Remember that this is gonna keep getting cooked when you mix it all together, so it doesn't have to be fully cooked. And you don't want to cook all the shrimp because then it gets all rubbery when you cook it for a long time. Alrighty, so we're gonna drain the pasta. Now be careful with this because the pot is very hot and the steam can also burn you. So make sure you drain the noodles, check off the excess water, and then set aside. Alrighty, in a pot we are going to add butter and olive oil with the onions. Let those cook for a minute or so, then add the bell peppers, cook it for another minute or so, and now we are going to start adding the garlic, the black pepper, paprika, cayenne, oregano, salt, all the spices. And remember, you're going to be adding heavy cream, noodles, shrimp. So add a lot because it will diminish the flavor. And like I mentioned, you can add any other flavors, seasonings you want because this is your meal. Alright, now that you have everything in here, make sure you mix it very well, add more oil or butter because this will dry. And then once it's a couple minutes, add the heavy cream. And this is where the magic begins. So basically, once you blend all this in, it gets to a very creamy color. The cream gets creamy. Would you look at that? And this is amazing. Alright, so continue cooking this. You don't have to boil it like I'm doing it right now. You can lower it, the temperature, and then just keep checking on it, keep stirring because it can stick. Alrighty, now I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese. And you can add as much as you want or as less as you want. Keep in mind that the more you add, the more thick the cream will be. And the less cheese, the more fluid or liquid, watery it would be. Alrighty, so we're going to be adding the pasta. It's going to be very stiff, but with the temperature and time, it will come to place. And also, once it's all good to go ahead and add the shrimp as well. And then just cook it for a few minutes or so. Also, make sure you test this. Taste it, take a little bit out, try it out, and see if you need more seasoning. Alrighty, guys, here you have it, a creamy shrimp recipe. Quick and easy, looks delicious. Hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, bye.